guys, welcome to my Adobe After Effects 2023 YouTube complete course from Novice to Expert. My name is Daniel Druzicki. I have been using After Effects for over 5 years. I'm very excited to have you in this course. I will start your journey by animating almost immediately. That's right, I believe we can begin with something exciting before the theories. I don't know you in person, but I'm sure you'll develop great skills and create incredible videos. And by the end of this course, if you follow everything closely, you will learn 3D, complex and compound shapes, per character animation, expression and infographics, blending modes, puppet tools, presets, motion and camera tracking, and much more. I'll be posting weekly videos until reaching all the content necessary for you to become a master in After Effects. Therefore, I recommend you to subscribe so you follow all the future updates in this course. See you on the next video.